We're gonna do that cute fusioning. Top coat, matte top coat, clear for 60 seconds. Tomorrow we are going to work with this. Is the tablet AB, and I'm so obsessed with this. I have it on the sides, and I have all the lists for tomorrow. We're gonna go to do, and tomorrow is Thursday. Yeah. So we have a few more minutes, so it doesn't take so long. And let's do is what did coming before? Filling blue. Let's do this filling blue because it's gonna mix with our theme. Looks cute. And yesterday we did the green before, and also we did the blue as well. But today we're using we did the calming, and then today we're using a filling blue. I'm so excited. And then only I need is just two, like I'm sharing with beginners. That's only you need to do. One colors and one crystal clear. So I am going to use my filling blue. Oh, look at that. How is that brush is like that? I'm damaged it. Can you get me the different one? Why is that? But it's okay. It's okay. It doesn't make any difference at all. I'm gonna just tap it in here. You guys, huh? I love it. So let it, you see how really good pigment of this fusioning. I'll let it just air dry. This is air dries. And then now I am going to use my magic wand crystal clear. No like hassle, like oh my god, I need to get another brush. If you don't have a brush, it's totally fine. And I have a piece of paper on my side right here so that I can clean my brush before I put my brush back into the clear bottle. And if you have troubleshootings before, like if your fusioning is not getting bleeding a lot because you're probably using too much of your solution or your crystal clear, so you need to like have a slow it down a little bit. Yeah. Wipe it off again. And blend them. Because don't use too much, because less is more, as I was only sharing it for past few live video. Do not panic. If you want just less, then use less, and then just don't use too much of your solution. I wipe it off every time I put it back in. Great. Blend it out. You see, it doesn't run crazy, and then you don't have to be really panic about that. Great. You can draw it more detail. I love it about like this because it's just a little bit. We have few seconds left from my Instagram, and then just come right back because I want to share you a really cool tip and trick for doing some cute veins with chamfer foil. See you in a little bit. Okay. Yeah. Yep. So I'm gonna be back with Instagram, but I'm gonna continue to doing this. Hi Instagram, you back? Welcome back to Glitz Accessory and such. Today we are supposed to do 3 nails, but we did extra because I would love to share with you this nails fusioning. Hello, how are you? Thanks so much for tuning back in. If you're first time tuning in with Glitz Accessory and such, welcome to Glitz Accessory and such live video brought to you. And we are going live every day except Sunday. Oh, I'm starting really like this. And if you have the clients that asking you with fusion ink, which is marble ink, or a marble look, just make sure you always advise them like none of marbling looks identical. So then when they ask for something, you're not gonna be like really nervous or stressed about, or the clients will be nervous or stressed about if you can't do exactly the same. You always have to advise your clients that they are not gonna be exact the same. They're gonna be something similar, but they're gonna be different. I think I really like it like that. Great. If you want your van to be more identified, you can. If you want more pink, you can work with this, but slowly. Do not using it too much. Your solution as you're gonna bleed and as you're gonna wash completely of your nails off, which is you don't want that. You want them to blend it nicely, but also have the look of the fusioning, which is the marble look. I'm gonna do a little bit. Looks so beautiful to me. You will never go wrong with the fusioning. Doesn't matter, whatever, you can do 2 colors, you can do 1 color, you can do even up to 4 or 5 colors. So let it air dry, and I am going to use my Premium's Eye Hole Transfer Foil. I'm going to, you can do that with gel painting. Should I do it gel painting? Do you want to see with the transfer foil? You want to see with the gel painting? Now you pick. Miss Corinas, are you still there? Hey, hi Nanny, how are you? Thanks so much for tuning back in. Would you like to see transfer foil on the fusioning or for the marble, or you want to see the gel painting? Somehow I can't see on Facebook though. Hi, is our transfer foil. All right, fancy finger. Cool, okay. So we are going to using, I drop 1 drop of my transfer foil's Premium Eye Hole Transfer Foil here. I'm gonna start saturate my brush, which is my light brush, on the same twin tip brush. I am going to draw just thin line. Along with the vans. Great. If you can see it, let me get closer to you. If you want your vein to be big, you can apply that thicker, but if you want to be really dainty, you do it thin. All right, I'm gonna pop it in the lamp for about 30 seconds. And I am going to use this cute, like I love this because it's had all the colors I want. What color would you like to see in it today? I think it's gold. different color. Maybe I should do a blue though. No, should I do blue? Be different. Foil, Miss Corina, foil. Yes, we're doing a foil. What colors? Look at that. But this one always pop the best. Yeah. Purple. Oh, why? Doing purple? This one. I was thinking. But you know what? Gold will show the best, or copper. Copper or gold? Maybe I'll pick gold, because then it will make this pop. But you can pick any colors you want at home, and don't limit of your potential. So if you can do it, play with this. It's come out great. I did so many of them, like some of them I did pink, some of them I did yellow. I think we did like all quite different. Ready? I'm gonna play them right in. You can start seeing the vein is showing right here. Look at this amazing premium iHo chamfer foil. It does everything for me. Ready? Make sure you give it a little bit of a press firmly, and then just take it out. Oh, gorgeous. Perfect. I am going to, I even like the little effects of from the foil. And I am going to put, look at that, completely chamfer. I am going to using a no wipe top coat and top this completely. I like the look of it because it had the pink base underneath and it had the blue on it. It's not like a white, it's a pink, so it's so beautiful. Make sure you do it thin so you don't have any bulky or too much top coat running around. Great. Pop this guy into the lamp for about 60 seconds and this nail are completely done. So we did a lot of cute nails today. We did 4 of them with like this one. We did the mermaid theme with the new chromatics art, and the new is charms and 3 leaves crystals. And we did this one with a gel painting, which is with using a pure white and sugaring. We did this 2 sugaring. Can you get me that sugaring, please? So nice. And 5, that's the 2 newest one. I don't know how many they have, but I have 2 of them in my hands right now. Don't forget to check on the website to see what really new is there, and plus your 20% off for this Valentine's Day special going on for 2 weeks. And look at that cute lips, and I did that pinky pink with the same sugaring. You can do it as like, oh my god, I'm so obsessed with this. And then the last one we did is with Feeling Blue Fusion ink. And that's all I need. Like, it's a base is pink, and then I use 1 colors. I'm sharing with beginners, so then you won't be panicking like, oh my god, if I'm using 2, 3 of them, it's all wash off. They're all bleeding off. You just see me literally do 1. Usually do 1 colors, if even harder, but I'm sharing with you, so then that's why you can see that if you do 2, 3 colors, it's gonna be really, really simple as well. And then we did premium iHo chamfer foil, and we did it with the gold foil right here from a collection. So simple. That's great for tonight with live video. I don't know why I'm so quiet, because I think it's just so into it, and I'm like, I'm so obsessed with this. 4 of them in like literally no time. I'm really enjoying what everyone tonight. Thank you so much for giving me an opportunity to be here and then got to share with you our tip and trick. Don't forget to be checking out our New York city class for crystal placement this weekend with Patty, or the tip and trick for Fashion Week in New York. If you happen in the New York City this weekend, don't forget to check the class out. And also the class is for training 3 days intense liquid gunpowder, dipping powder, crystal, and nail art. Also, the brand ambassador opportunity will be in the end of March. So the information coming soon in also probably today or tomorrow. And don't forget to check out with 20% off of Valentine's sales going on really nice and strong right now. It's a lot of different stuff. And if you're missing some and didn't pick it up before, this is a great time to do it is now. And also another big thing is great 20,000 followers giveaway. Thanks to you.